In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a background image everywhere in Canva. If you've been hunting for a one-click master background swap like you might find in presentation software, Canva doesn't offer that yet. But there are reliable ways to update your background across a multi-page design with minimal friction. I'll walk you through the best approaches and share a few tips to keep everything looking consistent. First, let's cover the most straightforward route: replacing the background on each page. Open your design and start on the first page. To select the current background image, try clicking an empty area of the canvas. If it's a true background layer, it should highlight. If that doesn't work, open the Layers panel and select it there. Next, choose your new image. You can upload your own or pick one from the Photos tab. Drag the new image directly onto the old background. When Canva recognizes it as a background replacement, it will snap into place. On desktop, you can also drag the image from your computer straight onto the canvas to replace the existing background. Take a moment to adjust the position and scale so important parts aren't cropped out. Then move to the next page and repeat. It's a bit manual, but it guarantees accuracy, especially when pages use different layouts. And just to set expectations, Canva currently doesn't let you change one background and have it update everywhere automatically. Now, if your project uses a consistent layout across pages, there's a useful speed-up: copying and pasting the page style. After you update the background on one page, right-click on that page and choose Copy Page Style. Go to the next page, select all elements with Ctrl or CMD+A, then right-click and choose Paste Page Style. When Canva treats the background as part of the page's style, it can carry that change over to other pages. This works best when your backgrounds were set the same way throughout and when they're true background layers rather than separate photo elements floating on top. Keep in mind, it's a workaround. If the background is just an image block in the layout, the style paste may not replace it. After pasting, quickly scan for any shifts in cropping, filters, or transparency, and tweak as needed. To recap, use manual replacement for guaranteed control, and try page style paste to speed things up on consistent layouts. With these two approaches, you can refresh backgrounds across your entire Canva design without starting from scratch.